right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to work on finding the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So I know first that this is a right triangle because I know that that is a right angle right there as designated by that sign there. So I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find this missing side length, this question mark. And we know that the Pythagorean theorem says that the area of the squares on the legs must add up to the area of the square on the hypotenuse. So the first thing that I should really think about when I look at this question is if I'm trying to find the leg or if I'm trying to find a hypotenuse. And we can find the hypotenuse by drawing an arrow away from the right angle. So the side length that I don't know is the hypotenuse. So now that I know that, I can work on finding the area of the squares on the legs. And I know these are not perfect squares, but bear with me here. So to find the area of this square, I would have 8 squared, which is 64. This square over here would have an area of 12 squared, which is 144. And then I can use those areas to find this area right here. So this area is going to be these two areas added together. So it would be 64 plus 144, which is 208. So we have this 208 here, but that is not the side length. This side length right here, let me get a different highlighter here. This side length right here is not 208. Okay, that the 208 is the area of this square. So in order to get from the area to the side length, I have to square root. So I would type square root of 208 into my calculator. I know that 208 is not a perfect square number, so my answer would be approximately 14.42 if I rounded it to 2 decimal places. If you have any questions, you should see Miss Ryan, Miss Sudame, or Miss Fike tomorrow morning.